Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We are unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag X for the month of May. I have zero idea of what is in this box because, well, my app didn't work. I couldn't log in, and it was just a whole hot doggone mess. So hopes that, you know, everything in here I do enjoy, because this box is like $55. We also have another unboxing. This is brand new, and I thought it was just too adorable not to unbox it for you guys. This is the Paw Pet box. This is like $24.99, and it's just for your pooch. So I will be unboxing that a little bit later in the video. My top is from Torrid. I will link everything down below. I actually did film how I did this like no makeup summer bronzy dewy whatever, I still don't know what to call it look. Anyways, over here y'all, I love to ramble. I'm a Gemini, it's what we do. Anyways, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, chit-chat, play in makeup, talk about makeup, review makeup, sneak peek makeup. We do all the things. So let's go ahead and jump on in. Haley will be coming over today to do an Ipsy X versus Ipsy X, mother versus daughter. Y'all, I don't think she got to pick either what her choices were. I had some people in the comment section say, oh, we weren't gonna get to choose for the Ipsy X, but then I had a ton of you all say, oh, no, we actually do get to choose for our Ipsy X box, which is $55 a month. You are supposed to customize like 3 of the items, I do believe it is, which for February I did get to do, but my app does not work. I have deleted the app, I've reinstalled the app, I have gone directly to the website, and I still, for whatever reason, can't seem to log into the account, to the point that I'm thinking maybe I just should cancel and start up a new one. I don't know. Let me know down below if y'all have had the same issue. Now, when it comes to the Ipsy X for May, this was in collaboration with Khloe Kardashian, so she has a bunch of her favorite picks in here. I do believe there's, I think, 8 items in here. Now, the February Ipsy X was my first one, and I was mind blown. I thought it was absolutely amazing. And again, Haley and I will be coming back and putting ours up against each other. Oh my gosh, okay, so the first item I see in here, which I'm a little shocked by that one. I did know the brand was going to be in here, I just didn't, I don't know. So when it comes to the Ipsy X, instead of a postcard, we are getting a pamphlet very similar to like what we see in FabFitFun. So in the pamphlet, it does tell you about all of the products that are in the box, or in other people's box if it's not in yours, if you know what I mean. And there's a lot of things. There's a lot of things. We've got some quizzes, some tips, all kinds of stuff in here, and I guess all of the brands as well. So anyhow, so jumping right into the first item that I did see in here that I am very excited about is Olaplex. Now, I absolutely love Olaplex. You all know that. My hair has been through it. Like 2014, I think it was pretty much fried off, so it's back, and a huge help to Olaplex for that. Now, I always tell you all the number 3 is absolutely my favorite, but I love to pair the number 0. I feel so weird saying number 0, but it says it right here, so it's not just me not knowing, but the 0 and number 3 together is like holy grail status. You can pick this up at Sephora, as well as the number 3 and the 4 and 5, 6, is there 7 and 8? I don't know. The whole line, minus the ones that you see in the salon, is available at Sephora, and I love this. This primes, repairs, strengthens, and protects all of your hair, and I'm super excited because I'm about halfway through the bottle that I already have. This is absolutely amazing. Let me find the price on this. So this does have a retail value of $28, and it's an in-home treatment, and I love it. I'm not too mad about that. I don't know if that was a choice or not. Let's see. The next item in here is by Aesology. It's an overnight lip mask. So it's exfoliating, hydrating, and smoothing. Say smoothing? Yeah, it says smoothing. So that's what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh wow, that's like a really large size. 1 fluid ounce. So that is what it looks like. I have a bunch of these opened up right now, so I'm not going to open this up, but I will put it in my backup. This actually has a retail value of $39. Okay, so pretty much these two products just paid for my box, so I'm not too upset. So this overnight oil infused lip balm is the ultimate beauty sleep essential that nourishes while you snooze. So very pleased with that. So that's 2 out of the, I believe, 8 items. I told you all I wanted this. I'm really excited about this. This is the Rhodial Pink Diamond Cleansing Balm. I love, love, love Rhodial products. Rhodial skincare. Absolutely amazing. And I told you all when I was doing the sneak peeks, when we found out that Khloe Kardashian was going to be the celebrity that helps curate this box, I was like, I really, really want this. So a little information. This, I'm assuming, may have been choice, potentially. I don't know. I'm looking through the little catalog. This has a retail value of $59. Its cleansing balms at night are the most, or are a must for heavy makeup. This one easily dissolves your glam with the Luxe Melting Formula. Plus it's infused with vitamin E, sweet almond oil, and rice germ oil to nourish while you cleanse. And it actually says in here why she loves it. After my glam team goes hard with the look, this cleanser is a lifesaver at night. I told you all, I wanted to try this so much. I mean, $59. $59. Now, granted, this may be available over at Skin Store, and I do believe code HOTMESS is still active and will save you like 25%. So, I mean, you could get it a little under $59, but I am so excited so far. Okay, so the next item. Sorry, I'm a nerd. I am such a nerd. I'm gonna pull it together. Okay, so I told you all I really wanted to try this when it came out, but I was like, no girl, don't do it. Don't do it. You don't need it, you know, whatever. But if it's in your subscription boxes, okay. So this is the palette by One Size. This is the Patrick Starr Visionary Eyeshadow Palette. It's 15 shades in here. And okay, so it's funny because the way it is set up, it is kind of like gonna screw with my OCD a little bit, but it's fine. It's fine. So I love the fact that it's pink. Let's open her up. Oh, I don't know what it is about greens, but I flippin' love greens. This palette is just me. I love it. Neutrals, nice size mirror. So I don't know, again, this may have been a choice item. I'm not 100%. Or this may have been Chloe's picks. So it says this does have a retail value of $42. It says whatever look you want, this palette has got you covered. It's filled with influencer Patrick Starr's favorite shades from cobalt to rose gold, and Chloe happens to love them all too. And it does say why she loves it. So this is a Chloe pick. It says, I stick to the top row for day-to-day glam. On weekends, I'm all about that blue. So this is just absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited about this palette. This is what I wanted because I saw the other one was the ABH Modern Renaissance, which is a cult classic, huge following on that. Kind of feel like that was one of the palettes that really put ABH on the map. I mean, I could be wrong on that, but that was the first palette that I ever owned from ABH, and I already have it, so I really wanted this. So super excited about that. The next item in here is by 111 Skin, and this is the Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I have tried this in the past. I do really enjoy 111 Skin. So this is the box, and it is a full-size product. I always like, when it comes to 111 Skin, I just aesthetically, I just think their packaging is so pretty. It's that rose gold chrome type of packaging. This is also a Chloe pick. This has a $135 retail value. This is Chloe's secret weapon for skin that looks lit from within. It contains rose water and niacinamide to brighten up the skin. It's hydrating hyaluronic acid to plump, and light reflecting gold to instantly illuminate your complexion. She says this looks so fab on my bathroom counter and even on my skin. So she's like me and likes that aesthetic. The last time I did the unboxing, I didn't read, and so I like the fact that it's kind of telling us why she chose these items. The next item in here is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the brow pen. This is also a Chloe pick. It does have a retail value of $22. The shade that I did receive is blonde, so they did go off of my profile for that. It says bold brows are a Chloe signature. This pen makes it easy. The superfine tip helps create realistic looking brows so you can add detail, definition, and dimension. She says, I pretend like I'm drawing on little hairs and my brows are perfect in no time. I have I tried this particular one? No, I have not. Okay, so it has like a felt tip liner on it. So you can do, you can do like little hair strokes. The blonde is pretty light, but that's okay because I feel like it'll look really pretty up through here where I do try and like lighten up my brows a little bit. So I'm not upset about this. This box is pretty doggone amazing. Like, honestly, I was pretty not happy at the fact that I didn't get to choose anything, but everything that I've received so far, I'm like, so anyhow, $22 retail value. The next item in here, oh, this is heavy. Okay, I'm so excited. I wanted this so bad. Okay, so remember when I did my sneak peek spoiler video, I said we saw some Tower 28 in there, and I have some of the Tower 28 jellies. It's like the orange and then the popsicle pink one. This is in the shade Coconut. I love the lip jellies. Oh my gosh, this is me. This is me. I am so excited. I love Tower 28. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Oh, this has me so excited. So comfortable. Absolutely love these. Like, and the colors, like, don't be as afraid of their lip jelly colors. Like, some of them are very vibrant and pigmented looking in the little component, but once you put it on, as you see, it's just this beautiful like tint of color. And go Ipsy. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is also a Chloe pick. This is a vegan, cruelty-free, and germ-tested gloss. It's made with plant-based ingredients like apricot oil and raspberry seed oil to nourish dry lips and give them a glossy finish without feeling sticky. 100% agree with that. This gloss lives in my purse for easy touch-ups over whatever lip I am wearing. It does have a retail value of $14. I am so excited. Okay, we have one more item in here. I do believe this would have been an Ipsy Pixit. This is the Rose Quartz Gosha. Y'all always get on me, I'm really sorry. The Sculpting Stone. I love these. So I actually use this, not this one, but I do use one of these stones, and I love them. They're really good for lymphatic drainage, and I always like do my jawline a lot with, well, I do my whole face, but I really focus in on that jawline and then scoop it down. I mean, it comes in like this nice little, well, it comes with a nice little pouch, and then when we open this up, it's a nice little, oh, it's already so cool, and I'm like, ooh, I love these so much. I use my Tower 28 spray, and then I just go in with like anything. I try not to do oils, honestly, because of like this area right here, it just gets too congested, but I love to use my Tower 28 spray, and then I use my Bloom Effects serum, the tulip serum that we saw in our BoxyCharm Premium, and I use that to really help everything get in here. So I am super excited to have another one. These are just wow. This has a retail value of $28. So let's talk about my thoughts on the Ipsy X for May. Y'all, I was so upset of not getting to make my picks that I was just like, this box is going to be like all the leftovers. I'm like so upset about it. I was 100% wrong. This box was 100% worth my $55. Like, I am super flippin' excited to see what Hailey has in hers, because again, I don't think that she was able to make her choice. Way to go, Ipsy. I think that They shocked me. They went by my profile, and yeah, we're gonna stick with the Ipsy X. This is pretty awesome. I am super excited. Okay, so let's jump into the Paw Pet box. This is $24.99, and you can choose different subscriptions. You can pay less, you can do more, whatever your little heart desires. And this is like for your little pup. So my little grandpa is gonna be getting all of those. Oh my god, look how cute this box is. I'm going to leave a link down below. They did give me a coupon code for y'all where you can save, this is so cute, where you can save 20% off your first box. So first we have a little bandana with a little bit of a stretch. This is gonna fit my little Lucy grandpuppy so well. This is so cute. Okay, next, these are Gourmet doggy treats, y'all. So this is the Teddy Paw Pet goods, and this is like the little donut. Everything is safe for the pups to eat, and I just think this is absolutely adorable. Like, how cute. It even has like little sprinkles on here. Look at this one. They're little like treats, like little dots or whatever, but each one is custom decorated. This is so flippin' cute. I'll dog on it. No pun intended. This one broke, but still so cute. How adorable is that? I mean, you can't tell me that's not adorable. Oh my goodness. $24.99 for all of this. I'm not done either. So this is like a whole like dog biscuit bag. And honestly, like, these would be cute to give as gifts when you like go over to like a housewarming party or something and they have like pets. How cute would this be? And then one more item. This is so freaking cute. Peanut butter treat, like all for your pups. All for your pups, y'all. Like, I know that Hailey like spoils Lucy like something fierce. No doubt in my mind, Lucy is going to love this. So if you are interested in signing up for your Paw Pet box, make sure to check my description box down below, and I'll have a code pop up on the screen so you can save 20% off your first box. Thank you so much to Paw Pet Box for sending this over my way. This is like this. So adorable. They are themed as well. So anyways, y'all, let me know your thoughts down below on your Ipsy X for May. Were you able to make your choices? And if you were not, and they customize everything according to your profile and whatnot, what were your thoughts? I definitely think Ipsy knocked it out of the ballpark. I am super excited about it. I think this Paw Pet box is so cute. We are actually going over to my parents, so I will be taking some of these treats over there as well for our pups over there. So anyways, friends, don't forget to check me out on my second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for some plus size curvy girl fashion hauls over on TikTok and Instagram at HotmessMomma4. Also stay tuned. Hailey and I will be coming back and putting our Ipsy X boxes up against each other, and we're gonna see who comes out on top. The friendly little mother versus daughter Ipsy X edition. Anyways, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.